Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you have a We Are Memory Keepers binding kit, then you always need a little extra wire for your binding. I like this silver wire from We Are Memory Keepers, and this size here is the 0.625 size in silver. I really like this wire because it is silver, so it matches no matter what type of project I want to use it on. This set comes with 2 different lengths of 11-inch wire, so it's plenty to use for multiple projects. I was able to use it on a book here for my son, and this has a front and a back cover as well as about 20 lightweight pages in between. And you can see that there's still plenty of room along the binding if I wanted to add more too. The length was great for a full-size sheet of paper, and I was able to just clip a little bit off. I've been really happy with this wire. I love the basic silver look of it, and it was very easy to work with and cut too. But that's just my point of view.